Welcome back. Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2014 got its voice, where Fina Dias won in Konkani category, Akash Mangeshkar in Hindi, whereas Kunal DeCosta won English category. The finale was held at Kolwa on Sunday. Here are some glimpses of the finale.
Mattia che fu la moja ma bonaka sangon digo pa sogalencha fartliano da bonaka boro tuji mapa itni thirangli re yamagam jan ab ke sawan aise barse eh jaye rang meri chunar se ठीक है तरवार जियारा तर से चमके बसे जरा
मुझको इरादे दे कसमें देवा दे दे मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे सोना सोना तेज कहे आजा रे
It's rising the bear is getting low
and baby you're all that I want when you're lying here in my arms I'm finding it hard to believe you're insecure, don't know what for you're turning heads when you walk to the door I did it up to cover up ooh la 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 leo ooh la 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 hey ooh la.
The feast of Mother Mary was celebrated at the Jesus Mary Joseph Church, Nuem, with religious solemnity and joy on Sunday. The day was also observed as Family Day. Our Lady of Gloria Church parishioners also celebrated the feast of their patron, Our Lady of Gloria, with great fervour at Varka. Have a look. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.